Now we're talking about wheel alignment. When you talk about wheel alignment, it's about your car going straight. When you let go of your steering wheel when you're driving on the road, you have to be going fast or not. But sometimes your car you see pulled to one side, to the left or to your right. The reason being, the alignment is off. Main thing that you can take a look at visual when you're walking around your car, look at your tires. You'll see like the thread on the corners here will wear off, right? When you start seeing that, you know something's wrong. You can't really see the inside unless you go under the car, but most of the time you can tell if it's on the outside. You can see a thread here, it'll just be worn off, there will be no threads left. That's when you know you need to get an alignment. Or if you see a car pulling to one side, left or right. Okay, now we're testing to see if this vehicle is going to pull to the left or pull to the right and see how the alignment is. And we're just going slow, not fast. And as you can tell, the vehicle is pulling to the left. So the alignment is off on the vehicle. You can either get a two-wheel alignment to correct that, or you can do a complete four-wheel alignment. But most of the time, it's just two-wheel alignment most garages do. But you need to get to a shop that does it properly.